race. And the race is on. Charlie's World, Maglev, Danori inside Dinara. Charlie's World, Dinara is running by the row. It's now Dinara, Charlie's World, Maglev is racing in third by some 3 lengths down the inside. Abun's Treasure, Magic Halo, Speedy Kim, and Sail My Lips is the early trailer. Dinara, Charlie's World is on the outside. Maglev is racing in third by some 3 lengths. Magic Halo is racing from the outside by about 6. Deep by the rally is Abun's Treasure. And hitting the far turn, it's Dinara, Charlie's World, Maglev is racing on the outside and getting closer. Magic Halo, Abun's Treasure. Another partner, Charlie's World. Maglev is sneaking by Dral and Abun's Treasure as they race the final corner. Maglev is now the leader. Abun's Treasure is running down on the inside, and on the outside is Charlie's World. And hitting the finish line, Maglev by 3/4 length. Abun's Treasure down on the inside. Last 75 meters, Maglev. This time by a length and a half. And finally, Maglev. Abun's Treasure, Magic Halo, Charlie's World, Speedy Kim, number 1, Dinara, and Sail My Lips.